Hi everybody, today I am going to teach you how to cook stir-fry quinoa. So first we need to cook the quinoa. So this is how we're gonna do it. I'm just using the instruction from the back on the box. So it says 1 cup of quinoa and 2 cups of water. Now you're just gonna turn on the stove on high and you're gonna let it boil. And once it starts boil, you're going to put in simmer for about 15 minutes. Alright, so quinoa is ready, so I set it aside, and I also cut 1.5 cup of cauliflower, a cup of green beans, and then we have a cup and a half of carrots, and a half a cup of leek, 1 pound of chicken, 1 clove of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. This is for glaze the chicken. So now what I'm gonna do, first I'm going to cook the chicken. So I'm gonna put 1 spoon of olive oil, and I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of sugar, and I'm gonna let it get that brown color. So that's how you're gonna glaze that chicken and get the nice and brown color. Alright, so once the sugar is brown, you're going to put the chicken in. And we're going to put the garlic. Salt and pepper to taste. Alright, so now chicken is ready. We cooked about 5 to 7 minutes. We're going to set aside. And now it's time for the veggies. We're going to add another spoon of olive oil. And we're going to put our vegetables. Add some salt and pepper. Alright, so here is the veggies. So we cooked for about 5 to 7 minutes, and I add a little bit of water so the veggies could cook a little better. So now that the veggies is cooked, I am going to add the chicken and our quinoa, which was ready before. So here we're just going to mix everything together. And here is our quinoa stir fry. If you like, I like to put a little bit of feta cheese. So once it's ready, you can put it as serving on your plate and sprinkle a little feta cheese on top. And here you go, our quinoa stir fry. Bon appetit. I'll see you next week.